Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to go through how you can change the themes and install custom themes on OBS Studio. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing you need to do is open up OBS Studio. I'm going to assume you already all have that. Next thing you need to do is go up to File. Then you need to go down to Settings. So you're going to click on Settings. Okay, so once you're in here, you're going to go to the General tab. So to change the themes that are already installed, you're going to go over here. So you've a list of them. There used to only be 2 or 3, but there's a lot more now. So I've it set to the default one. You can change it to the system one, which I really don't like. Is light. I usually have a dark theme, so if you can go dark, you can. As again, you can pick, light. You can. But anyway, I'll leave it as default for now. Once you do that, you need to actually scroll down to the bottom of the page and click apply, which is disappearing off my screen. So once you've it done, and then click OK. So I'm just going to leave it as that. Okay, so if you want to install a new custom theme, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the description of this video and I'll have the link in it. So I'll just bring it down here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to OBS themes. So you're going to go to obsproject.com/form/list/themes. It'll bring you to this. This is themes that people have actually gone and created. So the first thing you need to do is you need to look at which one you might like. So you're going to click inside it and it's going to open on a new tab. Once you do that, you simply click the download button here. Then you need to extract it because it'll be in a zip file, it will be, and then you need to install it. Once you've installed it and you come back, you'll need to restart OBS Studio and you will need to go back down to your settings, General tab, and you'll have the new theme installed here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thank you very much.